Hi guys, welcome back. So right now we'll be cleaning our bike using the degreaser, of course, and this handheld pressure washer. So let's start. We're filling the degreaser. Okay, like so. Just a little bit. See how this works, and I'll add more. There you go, just about that, or put a little more. Then attach this to this handheld pressure washer. Okay. All right, let's get to work. Let's see if this works. Okay. Well, it's not tight, so let's tighten it up. Let's bust the dirt out. Oh, there is. It's not really. It's just a degreaser, and then I think it's not working. Or I'll just add water to it for it to work. I'm not sure. Not sure if this is working, guys. So I'll try to add water in this one. See if actually this is not a foam degreaser. It is an all-purpose degreaser. Sorry for the background noise. I'm currently right beside the road, so let's try it again. If it's working. Somehow work, but it's just cleaning off the dirt. Go to the other side. Go on to the other side. Tool is very useful, guys. I'll put it on the description below. Right now I'm using a 68 volts Makita. So with just a bucket of water, you can easily clean your bike. This tool. After the degreaser, you need to rinse it off, I think. Just rinse it off with water. Now clean it off with water. Not sure if the degreaser works, but I think it somehow does its job. We're gonna clean this bike thoroughly with a wipe. That's it, guys. If you'd like to buy this kind of product, put the link on the description below. Peace out.